the most important thing in informal settlements is the rule of law, to provide legal property rights on where you live. And this is that's why you want to prevent informal slums to be formed in the first place. There's a race. The speed is needed, because the moment you enter that level of informality, undo that is very, very difficult. So even with very fragile provisional just sanitation, if you have at least some notion of who belongs to what, those other issues are have a better chance to be addressed in the future. So if for some reason gentrification happens and people own their land, there's not a landlord, it's a micro ownership of thousands of owners, then the ones that are going to benefit from the potential luxury thing will be the owners themselves. So the issue is who owns the land.